Hi, I want to show you a couple of new exciting products from Dilution Solutions. We are now selling sanitation products. This particular unit is a battery-operated, self-contained sprayer. Operates off of rechargeable battery, has a 10-gallon capacity, and has about a 45-minute runtime. This machine can be rolled anywhere in your facility for spraying either pesticides, fungicides, or even sanitation products. This unit can also be configured as a foamer. Why would you want to foam something? This is our pump up handheld foamer. By using foam, you increase the efficacy of the chemical in killing germs and bacteria on the surfaces. If we were just going to spray this cart to sanitize it, as soon as the water runs off, the chemical is done. But we can even do horizontal surfaces by foaming. This can also be done with a 10-gallon unit. Also, the portable handheld foamer sells to the end user somewhere around $50.